Welcome to Harry's Geriatric Nursing Insights, where we explore the heart of elderly care. Join us for stories, practical tips, and celebrate our dear elders and their caregivers.
Hello again, it's Harry here, your geriatric nurse from Toronto, Canada, back for my humble contribution for the care for the older adults and their caregivers. Tonight, I just want to briefly touch on the importance of caregiving. Uh, when someone is a caregiver, it's not an easy task to take. Not everyone is a born caregiver, but this is something that can be learned over time. There are two things that I usually say or think of when I'm thinking of a caregiver. Sometimes there may be a thing that may be lacking. If it's up here, it's something that we can do something about. As I said, you can learn a skill, you can learn the knowledge and be able to apply it. But the second deficit, which is down here, that's a harder deficit to fill. So if I would advise, for example, people who are just contemplating nursing school or PSW or anything that has something to do with caregiver or caregiving, um, always make sure this is something that you'd like to pursue, because if it's not something that's coming from here, it may be very, very challenging, because sometimes we come in, we do a lot of health teachings, a lot of support to hopefully strengthen their capacity to care for the older adults. But unfortunately, there are times when the problem is down here, which when I say when the problem is the heart, it's change of heart is something very difficult, because it requires an internal realization. It requires an internal effort to be able to change what needs to be changed. That's it for now. Take care and hope all is well. Stay safe and happy.